Yes, now we are discussing about leather and rubber business ideas. In that today we are discussing about leather aprons making. Leather aprons making. Basically, the leather aprons are protective wear items. Industrial workers in factories use these items widely, especially to protect them from heat. Dust industrial workers will use heavily. It is must to them to protect themselves. In factories, before working in boilers, oil processings, mixtures they will use to comfort them from heat, dust, oils, etc. Leather aprons are of various types and sizes, such as 24 inches into 36 inches, 40 inches into 60 inches, 60 inches to 90 inches, and 90 inches to 100 inches. 90 inches into 100 inches. 110 inches. This is the information approximately. And the next point is, what is leather apron? The distinguishing feature of a costume is a leather apron, which he always wears and from which he gets his nickname. And next point is, what is leather? Why use a leather apron? An apron should be worn in any situation where you wish to protect your clothes from substances which may stain or damage them. Welding without adequate protection will result in serious burns. A full leather apron provides protection from sparks, slag and heat and is key component of welder's equipment. And next point is, why is Jack the Ripper called leather apron? Jack the Ripper did have known as leather apron because. And next point is, which type of apron is used while welding? Tillman flame resistant cotton bib apron 6236 is a welding leather apron, such as the Tillman leather bib apron. When you have any welding tasks, half aprons after protection from the waist down, while full aprons protect your entire front. And next point is, what does the leather apron do in Canaan exiles? In every village or town, the blacksmith is recognized by their uniform. This simple leather apron, offering protection from errant sparks and pockets for storing small tools. This apron is as much a badge of craft as the smith's hammer or the forge itself. And next point is, how do you make a wax canvas bag? DIY brown bag, that is wax canvas lunch bag. Step 1 is cut your fabric to make a brown bag. Sew the two pieces together. Fold and sew the bottom. Sew the hem. Wax your bag. Brush liquid wax onto bag. Magic and enjoy. These are the steps of making a wax canvas bag. And next point is, how do you make a pinafore apron? Linen pinafore apron straps. Folds the straps in half long ways for the linen fabric. There really is not a right side or a wrong side. Sew half seam all the way down the side of the strap. Back stitch on both ends. Turn the straps inside out and place the seam on the center back of the strap. Press flat. And next point is, what is apron in woodworking? An apron, as it applies to furniture, is a wooden panel that connects the surface and legs of a table, desk or sideboard that sits on legs. An apron is placed at right angles to the underside of the top of table, sideboard, desk or seat of a chair and extends between the tops of the legs. And next point is, what does Jack Ripper mean? Jack the Ripper is best known name given to an unidentified serial killer who was active in the largely impoverished areas in and around the Whitechapel district of London in 1888. The name originated in a letter written by someone claiming to be murderer that was disseminated in the media. And next point is, how do you waterproof of a canvas bag? The wax method. Wax is product used to waterproof items since the old times. The first thing you need to do is test the wax on an inconspicuous piece of the canvas bag. Boil a bit of the water in one of the top two posts you have at hand, and then place the other pot inside it with the chunk of wax. And next point is how waxed cotton is made. Waxed cotton is cotton impregnated with a paraffin or natural beeswax based wax woven into or applied to the cloth. It has been replaced by more modern materials but is still used by the country sports community. The main drawback is that waxed fabric is not very breathable. This is the information regarding leather aprons making. Wishing you all the best.